now? After giving you a sense of how the inner circles work, we thought it best to let you know why many hockey coaches will fail.
One major reason can be a lack of clear focus. In other words, where to begin and what direction to go.
Of course, some coaches lack a real hockey background, or they fail to understand the challenges their players face out in the real game action.
Pride also gets in the way. I mean, a coach can sometimes prefer to go it alone instead of seeking help.
For sure, some coaches can feel overwhelmed, or maybe over their heads, with so much to know and do.
Oh, here's a real doozy. I mean, a lot of coaches find themselves going down the drain from taking bad advice from the wrong people.
Of course, some folks get into coaching for all the wrong reasons, and they're likely to experience just about everything we've mentioned to this point.
No worry, however, because Coach Chick can help you with every single one of those challenges.
Because he's always had a knack for simplifying difficult tasks.
Well, time's a wasting, with hundreds of dollars worth of videos and other information already waiting for you in your inner circle.
Join now. You'll be glad you did.